How to remove suffixes from strings. The removesuffix method is a new string method introduced in Python 3.9 that allows you to remove a given suffix from a string if it exists. In first example, we first define a string my_string with the value hello world. We then call the removesuffix method on this string, passing in the argument. This removes the suffix from the string, leaving us with the value hello world. Finally, we print the result using the print function. In the second example, the original file name is hello_world.mp4. The removesuffix method is used to remove the double quotes .mp4 suffix from the file name, resulting in the new file name hello world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.